MixManager, Nutrients, Updated Search. In this video, we will show you the updated search function. In the Nutrients section of MixManager, open the Nutrients section. At the bottom of the window, you will find the search field. Enter any text to search, for example, a name such as VIT. You will get a list of all nutrients that contain in VIT in their name. The text can also be located inside the name. For example, if you enter VIT, you will get all nutrients that contain VIT in their name. The search works across all columns available in the nutrients list. For example, you can enter part of a number and you will get all nutrients that contain a 12 in their number. The same works for the other columns. If you enter a 2, you will get all nutrients that contain this sequence in their name or number. As you can see, the first nutrient has 2 in its number. Also the first, the second, and another list has 2 in precision column. You can also adjust the search mode. By default, the search works across all columns, but you can switch to a mode where the search works only on the sorted column. To do this, click the button and select Filter by Sorted Column. Now, if we search for 12, while the list is sorted by the number column, the search looks only in that column. For example, we could see vitamin B12 here, but we don't because we only have sorting by number, and the search currently works only on the sorted column. But if we sort by the name column, we get all nutrients that contain 12 in their name. This new search function is called Filter Mode. If you don't like it, you can switch back to the previous option, Search. The program will then work the old way. The search runs on the sorted column, simply positioning the marker on the found record without filtering the list.